So guys, I've decided to do something a bit different. I'm in Carol's Bar, which is in the west end of Galway, and I have got a half pint of Island's Edge, Beamish and Guinness, all in the same glass, so I have no idea which is which. And I'm going to give you what I think of each. So we have A. Smells like potatoes. Like potato skins. I don't know. That's not Guinness. It's not bad. It's quite creamy. It tastes warmer than Guinness, if that makes sense. But it's not Guinness. It's quite nice. I can drink that. So we have pint B. Smells like nothing, which is fine. That one tastes like Guinness. That absolutely tastes like Guinness. If that is not Guinness, I'm going to shut my account down. I quite like that. That's 100% Guinness. It has to be Guinness. It tastes like Guinness. Yeah. And we will try pint C. Again, it doesn't smell of anything. That's not Guinness. I don't know what that is. I think that could be Island's Edge. I think. It tastes quite thin. It's not my favourite. It's not my favourite. So, out of all three, we have A, B, C. We have B, A, and C. I'm going to tell you what each one is. So my favourite is B. Which is Guinness. Thought it would be Guinness. Then we have A. No. Nah. I feel disgusting at myself. Like, that's not what I thought that would taste like. And then I have, I'm not a fan. People told me when I tried Beamish I would no longer like Guinness. When I tried Beamish I no longer like Beamish. Yeah, it's not, I'm not a fan. But for me it is Guinness all the way. Island's Edge. Would I ever choose it over Guinness? Absolutely not. Do you get it in the UK? Absolutely not. Am I okay with that? Yes. But yeah, pint of Guinness all the way. Beamish, I'm quite disappointed. You don't taste like I was told you were going to taste. But yeah, let me know your thoughts.